You bought smart bulbs, but your home still doesn't look like those warm, cozy spaces you see on Pinterest or TikTok.
Most people keep turning individual lights on and off like it's 2005, but a truly cozy home runs on smart, layered lighting that reacts automatically.
Great lighting isn't about buying expensive bulbs. It's about how all your lights work together. For tasks, reading, cooking, grooming, placed exactly where you need it. This is the cozy glow that fills the room softly. Lamps with shades, wall-bounce light, and light. If you want your home to feel cozy, not cold and clinical, stay between 200K and 3000K. Smart bulbs aren't smart until they automate your environment. Most people do the worst thing possible. They set lights to turn on to. This is the trick interior designers use. Point a lamp upward so the ceiling glows.
This mimics nature, calms your brain, and makes your home feel like it's wrapping around you.
Smarter motion rules. Motion sensors shouldn't just turn lights on. They should respond based